Wrapping up Quick Storm. Ready once again? Away they go. Royal Milestone from the outside, Pure Energy. Flight attendant is running by the roll. In between runners rising up is Fearless. Also moving up is Quick Storm by the roll. Wolf Run on the further outside. It's now Quick Storm followed by Wolf Run, Flight attendant. Fearless alongside Pure Energy on the further outside, Royal Milestone and Royal Family. Inside the last 800, Quick Storm the favorite by about 2 lengths, followed by Wolf Run in second. Royal Milestone rushing up on the outside, taking the second spot. Flight attendant down in fourth, and Fearless. Another far turn, Quick Storm the favorite, still hanging to that 2 lengths lead, followed by Royal Milestone. Flight attendant on the outside is Fearless, Wolf Run, and Pure Energy as they race the last 250. Quick Storm by about 2 lengths, followed by Royal Milestone. Flight attendant down on the inside, rising up is Fearless, Wolf Run. Quick Storm, Royal Milestone on the outside, but still Quick Storm, Royal Milestone on the outside, but still Quick Storm winning this race over Royal Milestone. Fearless, Flight attendant, Wolf Run for your Pentafecta, Pure Energy, Royal Family comes last.
Okay, 2-7